Oh man, just as I turn the camera off, this guy decides to jump over the double yellow. I mean, you don't see the double yellow line? Truck crosses right over the double yellow line. I understand she used her signal. That doesn't make it okay. Use your signal. Whoop-de-freaking-do. There's a double yellow line and a solid white line. All three lines are solid. Therefore, according to California Vehicle Code, I believe you are not allowed to cross any of those lines. And just for good measure, there's a black line in the middle. So let's just, you know, get that out of the way. Let's just air that out. If you cross the double yellow line in front of me, you're going to get flipped off. That's just how it works. I dish out a little bit of karma. You break the rule, I'm going to go ahead and give you a piece of, you know, hand gesture, tell you you're number one. You are definitely not the greatest person. You are definitely a bad driver, and I you know, whatever you take from getting flipped off, that you should take that from me, because you just cut across double yellow, breaking the law right in front of me. So that's how it goes on the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like that, make sure you're subscribed. Give me a like on this one if this one was particularly enjoyable for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Be good drivers, be good humans, don't cross the double yellow line, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.